everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Today begins the first day of candy and cookie and Christmas baking season. Yes, craziness begins. We are starting with double mints. But before I begin, I would like to say, since everything's going on with YouTube and all my videos are on YouTube, I'd like to let you know, if you didn't already know, I create all my videos for adults, and I do not recommend children to participate in the items I do on the videos due to using stoves and heat and big equipment, hot glue guns, things like that. It just wouldn't be safe for children. My videos are created for adults, and if the adults choose to do the items with the children and use the glue guns or the mixers and things, ovens, that's fine. But my videos are created for only adults. And we are going to make a simple, easy, hey Dawn, hey Sandra, we're doing a simple, easy double mint recipe. You can use this. My family's always used it for weddings. We also do it sometimes at Christmas time, and only I'm doing a slight different version. You can mold these, and I'm doing a different version today. And I will start out by, hopefully it can, I may have to move things around. Start out by, this is, okay. Oh, hey. Come here. This is a pound. Okay, am I too close or too far away? Hey, Shelby. This is a pound of powdered sugar. And this is softened cream cheese. 1 container of softened cream cheese. So is anybody else starting to bake? I have to get my truckers their cookie trays out soon, and candy trays out, so it is time to start with the candy. They have already been asking if I'm going to be baking this year. I'm going to wash my hands. It's been a really weird day. It's been almost completely dark here in Ohio and raining until just now, and the sun came out. Hey, Bobbit. And next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of flavoring. And since we're doing mints, I'm going to do peppermint for Christmas, but you can use, we've used spearmint, we've used bubblegum flavored, we've used all kinds of flavors in our mints if we're doing them for weddings. But for Christmas and for these, I'm going to just use peppermint. And a teaspoon of peppermint. And these are dark, really dark measuring spoons. I couldn't even see when it was full. And here's my favorite food color. It's just it's Wilton's brand food color. I am making mints, or some people call them after dinner mints. Some people will call them wedding mints. I'm making those, and I'm going to have green fingers for the next few weeks. I'm going to add some green food color. Hopefully that's enough. Oh, girl, I'm just starting. Maybe I'll give somebody some ideas. Ooh. On some things to make. Is what I thought. Nothing else will make you laugh about me wearing powdered sugar. I think that's it today. You know, I did this disclaimer about not letting kids do this. Well, this one, the way my kitchen will look, maybe I shouldn't let myself do this. Hey, Kay. Hey, Denise. Hey, Paul. I'm going to wash my hands. I got the food coloring everywhere. Okay. Then I normally chill this. But for the like of the video and to show how it's done, this is the after it's chilled. I normally like to make everything the same size. If not, the guys get mad and they start fighting. She likes you better because yours is bigger than mine. She likes you better. You know, we don't want that because they're a bunch of overgrown children. And I think Dad's the worst, but you know. Let me find it. I have these little things. They're just little scoops. And I just use those and I'll scoop those out like this. And then I roll them. Just like this. Just roll them between your fingers and make a ball. Like that. Then I add to powdered sugar. This is where, and you can press them into molds if you like. Or you can take a fork and just make a fork print in them. Oh, girl, that sounds good. And then, remember these from the movies? Well, since I'm doing double mints, I decided I would just take a double mint, take a junior mint, and push down right in the center. And that will be them. Yeah, he's back on the road. He's heading to Texas. This morning when he left, we had thunderstorms, rain, ice, and fog. So he had to deal with all the things this morning. he had to deal with all the things. Like, my goodness, it's December. And then I'm going to just push a junior mint down in the center. But I'm going to shove this dough in the, there's Stan. I'm going to shove this dough in the refrigerator first before I finish them all. So make it easier. But I wanted to show you the finish, how I was going to finish them. So, in the video. So that is what there's my first batch of candy. And I have, tomorrow is going to be Oreo truffles. The next day, or the next video will be Rolo reindeer, and so on. I have a whole list of things I have to make. Yeah, and everybody got to see the lights at the funeral home. If you haven't seen the lights at the funeral home, we did that this week. And next week we'll have a craft fair. And the next week we will be going to Wildwood at the old mansion that we toured last year. So we're doing some of the same traditions on our page, but the new people might not have seen. Hey Jacqueline, how's my girl? The weather's still shaky here. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.